Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're using a Rheem hybrid water heater and see different modes like energy saver, heat pump, or high demand, it can be confusing to understand what each one actually does. These modes are designed to balance performance and efficiency, but choosing the wrong one can affect how quickly you get hot water or how much energy the unit uses. Instead of leaving it on a default setting, knowing how each mode works helps you match it to your daily usage. Whether you want maximum savings or faster heating, the right mode makes a big difference. In this video, I'll break down the different modes on a Rheem hybrid water heater and show you exactly how to use them to try these. Step 1. Locate the control panel on your water heater. Step 2. Press the mode button to cycle through available options. Step 3. Select Energy Saver mode for balanced efficiency and performance. Step 4. Choose Heat Pump mode for maximum energy savings. Step 5. Switch to High Demand mode when you need faster hot water. Step 6. Confirm your selection and monitor performance based on usage.